Everyone is going to be cooking with rice after seeing this genius idea. We kick things off in the kitchen with a pot of fluffy white rice ready on the stove. A hand with perfectly manicured pink nails adds 2 generous dollops of a thick, light brown biscuit-like paste. Let's start by adding about 10 grams of this biscuit paste right into the cooked rice. Now grab a bright yellow spatula and mix it all together. The right hand steadies the pot while the left gets to work, breaking down the paste and blending it with a milky liquid until it's beautifully incorporated. We keep stirring until the entire mixture is a uniform, creamy light brown. Now for the next layer of flavor. A thick, white paste-like substance is poured from a clear glass bowl right on top. Following that, a rich, light yellow liquid joins the party. Back to mixing. The yellow spatula dives in again, swirling the white paste and yellow liquid into the rice mixture. We're mixing to homogenize, watching as the streaks of white and yellow disappear, creating one cohesive, delicious-looking base. And when that's done, it's time to add 200 grams of cream. A fluffy, white, granular substance is added from a bowl, forming a snowy mound on top. One last mix to bring it all together. Now, the entire thick, homogeneous mixture is transferred from the pot into a blender. We're not done yet. In goes a bright yellow liquid with 3 distinct egg yolks, followed by a clear liquid. Lid on and let's blend. The hand holds the lid steady as the ingredients whirl into a frothy, bubbly, light beige liquid. This is the perfect time to share this video. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from and we'll send a special heart your way. The beautifully blended mixture is poured into a clear glass bowl. A white powder is sprinkled on top and whisked in vigorously until it's perfectly smooth. This is the ideal consistency. Now pour it all into a greased and floured silver bundt cake pan. Into the oven it goes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, but remember, this time can vary with the power of your oven. And look at that! A stunning golden brown bundt cake fresh from the oven, resting on a lovely speckled plate. A knife cuts into the cake, revealing a soft, light interior. A perfect slice is placed on the plate, and for the grand finale, a creamy, light beige sauce is poured generously over the top, cascading down the sides. And just like that, a delicious dessert. But wait, what's this? A final surprise, a beautiful white bowl filled with a milky, noodle-like pudding. Another amazing treat to try.